It's horrible. Tell me you can see all 6 of those vehicles. I had to stop for a minute, give me some Waffle House, you know, let the sun go ahead and come up a little bit, that way I can get on down the road. Because I'll be honest, yesterday wore me out. Pouring concrete, doing all the crap for grandma, and I'm so tired. Got about 4 hours sleep, left out about 2 a.m., and I'm on the road to South Carolina. So, I'll, I don't know where I'm stopping tonight, but I'm stopping somewhere. I'm in Bremen, Georgia? Anyhow, Quality Inn Suites. It's actually not bad. They do get a fitness center. Oh, a boardroom. And then a business office in there. And then also there. And then fitness center. It looks like an elliptical and treadmill. Not really a big. Alright. Oh, took a step. And then you get out here to the courtyard where the pool is and stuff. That don't look like a half bad little pool. I mean, I can dig it. I mean, I'm not going swimming. I'm not going swimming. I really like this area. I gotta walk 20 miles to go get something to eat. And it's the only drawback about this place. But I got parked and everything, so it should be okay. Yep. All right. So, it smells like Fabuloso. I don't know what that's on, but we're gonna turn that thing down. I think. Yeah. It doesn't have a thing, but I can understand where it's at. Okay, so we got a chair. Oh, that's not too bad. TV. Okay, that might work. Might work. But you got a microwave. And fridge. Fridge don't work. TV does though, I think. And the bed. Well, I like that comforter. It's thick. Sweet Jesus. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. I gotta walk a long ways. Maybe I'll just skip a meal. I can do that, right? Okay. You got coffee? Yeah. Room with the brew. On room by the hour. It's got a little tubey. Cool. Sweet. The shower. Hey, for my sanitation. Towels or okay. That's gonna fall through. Oh, okay. Fix that. Hello. Yep, I'm gonna bust my butt here. Hotel's down there. They say if I walk up here and go over, I can find some food. Need a lawnmower? You know, I'm sure that there are a ton of people who would, I can't go that, maybe I can go that way. I don't know, I'm still trying to work it out. That, there are a ton of people who steal those lawnmowers. They probably don't work. They only cost like $150 to build them. So, nope. I ain't going that way or that way. Looks like I gotta walk all the way around the entire building. It's closed. So, my next step is I can walk 10 minutes the other way. I'm gonna make Waffle House. That's a little far. So, about, I don't know. Go walk 10 minutes? Maybe. These stairs were much easier than walking through the pine needles. I'm going to bed, y'all. But I got batteries, so we'll do Blacklight in the morning. So, yeah. Later. I don't want to, but I'm up. So, let's get this party started, right? Coffee time. Coffee's percolating. And guess what? I got batteries. Let's do this. Yeah. That's crazy. fun, dribbles. Let's have that along. Not bad. Town wasn't bad. Shower kind of sucked though. It was nice and hot, but it was just like too hot. Not enough. I mean, not enough coldness in it. It was horrible. And I gotta hurry up and get out of here because it's almost 2:30. There you go. All my bags are checked. I'm ready to go. Okay, so actually, I got my load dropped off. So that hotel last night ended up being like $64 a night. Kind of, it wasn't bad. I'd probably stay there again. It's a little far from food though. So, I mean, I ended up driving to food because, you know, I couldn't find anything. But during the weekdays, there's something real close. So, oh, that's cool. See, I don't know what it is. You add a little bit of water, it makes me happy. Anyway, all right, well, I'm going to go up here and go through TSC pre-check, I think, and then just go down a ladle and take the ride. Ride with me. You know, that's how it is. Okay, I'm curious. I'm past security. Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna have to do one of these deals. I'm gonna have to do a short of it and see if people can guess. But yeah, so you know if you watch the short, because I'm gonna drop that in a second, and then you're like, hey, I wonder where he's at. You now know I'm in Greenville, South Carolina. So hold on. Yeah, I just gotta wait. But my plane's here, so I gotta start putting this video together. Because, yeah, I'm having a great day. It's an itty bitty one. Man, that thing's loud. Somebody told me it was the Butthole motor, but it's actually the APU on the back. Yay! Better not go out. Yeah, it's first class. I get a meal. It's okay. No biggie. But on the way home, landing, and then, yeah. I'll end up going to the house. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I am going to go ahead and cut this off here. I've had some really interesting experiences. I actually met up with a couple of friends of mine randomly. I was walking by the gate and I was like, hey, Matthew. And y'all remember Nikki? She was, we went to San Francisco with her. And she was bored and going to Boston, literally the gate over. So I got to chill out with them. So that was nice. But, all right, I'm going to get off here. You have a great day. Love you. Bye.